But if you close your eyes.
Hello everyone. Okay, so I have a small obsession with Nendoroids, which are these little cute figures, and you can like change all the faces, expressions, hair, outfits, bodies,
and pretty much anything. So
I went on this website called Wish that has all these amazing deals and stuff, and normally Nendoroids are about $50. I found two for $10. So today we are going to open this shady package that arrived yesterday. That's a little bit messy. Alright. So this has a lot of freaking tape on it. You know what? I'm just gonna break myself trying to open it. The box is hella beat up. These are probably, it's called bootlegs. Hey, it was a good deal. I honestly don't care if they're bootlegs or not. I just wanted my figures. Oh, here's one of my boys. Okay, definitely bootlegs. The box is hella beat up. I bought two and they gave me one. I'm pissed. If you can see, here's our bootleg Kageyama. The things are in upside down. How do you put them in upside down? This box is in horrible condition. Like, really bad condition. The color schemes are way off, and it's just overall really beat up. What I can tell, the coloring job is okay on the figure, but I'm not an expert. Okay, the box just ripped. Either I bought this off of Wish, so it didn't tell me the condition of it. So either this is pre-used or just really beat up. It looks like all of the pieces are here. This is what I saw in the review. He has his little volleyball net stand. He has the whooshy from whenever he spikes the ball. There's the ball, his crown, the extra limbs and legs, and the extra expressions, and the figure himself. Overall, from what I can tell, the paint job is pretty good. There's a bit of paint chipped off on his uniform, but that might just be from age. I'm not 100% sure if this was pre-used or not. But let's take this bad boy out. I have other Nendoroids too, and they did not come in this condition. Actually, I only have one, and then I have two mini ones, and they didn't come in this condition, but I got them from different places, so I mean. Nothing fell out yet. Okay, can I like open up that side and everything not fall out? Oh, he's out. He's breathing. Oh, he's missing a limb. Oh wait, it's down there. Hang on. Reattach his limb. Alright guys, if you have never seen one before, here's your very first bootleg Nendoroid. Oh my god, look at that. It won't even focus. Focus. Okay, it won't focus, but here's your very first bootleg Nendoroid. If you can't really tell, there's a lot of paint problems on his jersey. This is very poorly painted. Very, I wish it would have really focused, but it won't. But yes, the paint job is absolutely horrible. There's actually some excess paint on his little face right here. You can't even see it, but it's right here. This one. But yeah, we got our boy Kags. I'm happy to have him. I really honestly don't care if this is a bootleg. I just wanted Kageyama. My best friend got Len and Ren, and I was pissed. I got Kageyama to make her matter. Oh yeah, also his head is kind of split open. This lighting is horrible. It's just, oh my god. Okay, thank you guys for watching my unboxing of bootleg Kags. I don't feel like switching out all the parts right now because I'm kind of mad. But we got our boy. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.
This video was already much longer than I intended it to be, but yeah, so this is where I bought it. I thought that Hinata and Kageyama would both be included because, you know, that is what's listed on the listing, but apparently I was wrong because I read a bunch of the other reviews and you didn't get to choose. It was just either Kageyama or Hinata arrived. There was no way of choice, but the description said that both would be bought and arrived. But I only got Kageyama, so I was pretty mad about that. But I actually got the last one before they ran out of stock. So, I mean, I get the boxes from other people's were in better condition, but mine was absolutely in horrible condition, obviously bootlegged. But yeah, before I bought this product, I was very unaware that there was a bunch of bootleg Kageyama and Hinatas going around. So, yeah, I left a really bad rating. So if they ever go back in stock, I hope someone else will be able to read that and not buy it like I did. If a Nendoroid is listed for under $50 and not from Amazon or eBay, I would definitely not recommend buying it because there are a lot of bootlegs out there and they are just horrible quality. So if you're looking for a real Nendoroid, I suggest Amazon or an official website. But yeah, thank you all for watching and stay safe out there.